welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hair review. I know y'all been waiting on this, so I'm gonna get straight to it. So this hair is from Beauty Forever. It's off of AliExpress. I have inches, I think it's a 20. I have two 20s, a 22 and an 18-inch closure. There we go. But I'm still gonna post that on the bottom so y'all can see that. This hair is Malaysian curly, and I absolutely love this hair, y'all. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this hair. So thanks for watching, guys. Okay, now I'm just kidding, y'all, but now this hair is really bomb. Like, I for real don't have anything bad to say about this hair. So I have had this hair for 2 months, and literally my shedding has, I can't say that it hasn't been any, but it has been very minimal. Like, there's really no shedding with this hair. When you get curly hair, it's easy for it to shed, but this hair, no ma'am. Okay, so let me just start going through and hitting on my, so let's see, customer service. I guess it was cool. I didn't really have to talk to them about anything. They did email me to let me know when everything was, you know, pushing through and it was on its way and stuff like that. So I guess that gets a 10 or whatever. Let's see. I think I paid $155 for 3 bundles and a closure. So that was nice. Like I said in my other video when I did the initial review, they do have coupon codes that you can use on there, where they're really like store coupons. So they go ahead and add that in there before you check out or whatever. It's nothing really huge. It'd be like $3 or something like that, but save you $3. Don't trip on it. But let's see. I did turn this into a wig unit. So I turned this into a wig as soon as I got it. So this is a wig and it's been holding up. So the smell, y'all don't have to go back and watch my initial review over this hair. But the smell was, it did have a smell, but it wasn't terrible. I did say it smelled like corn chips. So, but I mean, corn chips are, it's not a terrible smell, but it is terrible. So, but it was nothing that didn't wash out. Like when I washed the hair, it was cool. It was no problems. I haven't had any problems since then. So, because I didn't have any problems with this hair, I really don't have anything to hit on. There really aren't any cons to this hair. I did say that I was going to bring in the shorter wig that I got from them. So, give me a second. So, here is my shorter hair that I told you I got. I think this is in lengths. I don't know about this one. I think it's a 18, 16, and a 14. And this is Malaysian curly as well. These curls look, I didn't freshen this up for y'all for the video because I knew I wasn't going to put it on. But yeah, so the only thing that I will say about this one is that the closure is so short. Like, y'all can see that right there. Y'all can see the difference between the closure and the rest of the hair. I did not have that problem with my wig that I have on, the one, because they're longer lengths. But yeah, with this being a 14-inch closure and the longest bundle being an 18, this was pretty obvious. But other than that, I feel like with this one, I should have just went with one size. Like, I should have just did like either 18, 18, 18 or 16, 16, 16, something like that, so that everything could have, you know, fell in together or whatever. But other than that, this hair is nice too. I mean, I don't have, this hair didn't shed like that. Obviously, it's the same hair, so I mean, this didn't shed like that, and this really is just good hair. It has a nice luster to it. Like, it's not extremely shiny to look fake or anything like that. So yeah, y'all want y'all some nice hair, check out Beauty Forever hair on AliExpress. But yeah, y'all, so I really didn't have anything to say about this hair because it really is that great. Like, this is some bomb hair, like really. So go get you some. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you ring my bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will make sure I link all the information in the description box below. Thanks, guys.